Hello great Indians, this is the next topic, that is how to find the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, so students, this number line that is from 1 to 10. So can you tell me the natural numbers which lies between the 2 and 5? So this is 2 and this is 5. So can you tell me the numbers which lies between 2 and 5? Yes, the answer is 3 and 4. This 3 and 4 lies between the 2 and 5. And all these numbers are natural number as they are the positive number. That's why it are called as the natural numbers. Okay, so 3 and 4, this number lies between the 2 and 5. Now students, can you tell me the integers between minus 2 and 4? So what is the position of minus 2 here? And minus 2 and 4, here 4. So in between the minus 2 and 4, which integers are there? Minus 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, and 3 is there. So what are the integers which lies between the minus 2 and 4? Yes, the answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the numbers which lies between minus 2 and 4. As these are the minus also, 0 also, it means that these are the integers. So what was my first question? The natural number between 2 and 5. Okay, what are the natural number between 2 and 5? 3 and 4. What was my second question? What are the integers lies between minus 2 and 4? So what is the answer? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So in this way you can find the natural numbers between two numbers. You can find the integers between two integers. So can you find the rational number between two rational numbers? Let's take an example. Let's take the number 0 and 1. So in between 0 and 1, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9. 0 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 0 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Similarly, 0 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10. So these all decimal numbers can be written in the fraction. So it means that the numbers between 0 and 1, 10 numbers lies between the 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. So in between 0 and 1, rational numbers are there. So our answer is that yes, in between the two rational numbers, the finite number of rational numbers are there. Okay, infinite numbers are also there. So we will discuss later. So what we have studied? We have studied that in between the two natural numbers, the natural numbers are there. In between the two integers, integers are there. In between the two rational numbers are also there. So what we have studied? We have studied that there are the natural numbers between the two numbers. That means let's take an example 4 and 7. So in between the 4 and 7, 5 and 6 natural number are there. We have seen that there are integers between the two integers. Let's take an example. What are the numbers? What are the integers lies between minus 3 and 2? Okay, what are the integers? Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. These are the integers which lies between the minus 3 and 2. Okay, so in this way we have studied that there are finite numbers of natural number, there are finite numbers of integers between any two natural numbers or any two integers. Okay, right? So we have studied that there are finite numbers of integers between any two integers. Okay, so we have studied still now. Now we have studied that there are rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so let's take an example. What are the numbers or which numbers lies between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? Let's take an example. Okay, let's take the number line between 0 and 1. Okay, this number line is divided into the 8 parts. So we have to find the rational numbers between these two numbers, that is 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Right? So what are the rational numbers? 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. So my question is, are these only three numbers between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? So this is visible only 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. So I had asked you that which are the numbers which lies between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. So your answer is, sir, 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. No, there are more numbers, more rational numbers also. Let's see. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 8. Yes, it can be written as 30 by 8. 0, 0 will cancel 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 8. Similarly, right? Similarly, 7 by 8 can be written as 70 by 80. Okay, so 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 80 and 7 by 8 can be written as 70 by 80. So can you tell me the numbers between 30 by 80 and 70 by 80? Yes, there are. Now first of all, what was their answer? Only three numbers. Now between 30 and 80 and 70 and 80, how many numbers are there? Let's see. 30, between 30 and 80 and 70, 80, the numbers are 31 by 80, 32 by 80, 33 by 80, and so on up till 69 by 80. So what was our previous answer? Only 3 numbers. Now your answer is changed. So there are more numbers, more rational numbers between two rational numbers. Understood? So is this a limitation? No. 3 by 8 can be written as 300 by 800, 3000 by 8000. The answer is same. So similarly, there are infinite numbers between any two rational numbers, right? So here 3 by 8 can be written as 300 by 800. Okay, similarly 7 by 8 can be written as 700 by 800. The answer is same because 202 will cancel with the 20. So between 300 by and 800 and 700 by 800, the numbers are 301 by 800, 302 by 800, and so on continuously up to 699 by 800. So similarly you can solve by using 3000 by 8000. So what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers, right? Student, this is our example that you have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. So 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 80, right? And 5 by 8 can be written as 50 by 80, correct? So now you have to find the numbers between 30 by 80 and 50 by 80. So 30 by 80 and 50 by 80. So more numbers are there, okay? Lots of numbers are there between 30 by 80 and 50 by 80. 30 by 80, 31 by 80, 32 by 80, so on until 49 by 80, right? So you have to find only the 5 rational numbers. So which numbers are there? 31 by 80, 32 by 80, 33 by 80, 34 by 80. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 35 by 80. So these are the numbers which lies between 30 by 80 and 50 by 80. You can take other numbers also. You can take 36 by 80 up to 49 by 80. So it's your choice. Okay. So this is a very simple process how to find the rational number. This is the first method. Okay. This is the method number 1. Similarly, you can find with the another method. What is our number? 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. How many numbers you have to find? 5 rational numbers. So multiply with any digit. Let's take an example. Let's take a number 5. Okay. So if you have to multiply 5 in the denominator, you have to multiply with the numerator also. 3 into 5, 15 upon 8 into 5, 40. Similarly, here also you have to multiply by 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25 and 8 5s are 40. You can take 6 also. You can take 7 also. It's your choice. Okay. So now your number is 15 by 40 and your number is 25 by 40. So 15 by 40 and 25 by 40. Now you have to find the numbers between these two numbers. 5 numbers. So 15 by 40, 16 by 40, 17 by 40, 18 by 40, 19 by 40 and 20 by 45. 5 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have to find 10 numbers, you can take up to 24 by 40. So this is the second method also, right? So in the first method, what we have learned, convert into the zeros, 30 by 80 and 50 by 80, and in between the numbers you have to write only 5 numbers. In the second method, you have to multiply with the common multiple. I have taken 5, you can take 6 also, 7 also. So in this way you can find the numbers between the any two rational numbers.